Hey guys, and welcome back to How To Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to sign up to Zedge using our Google account. Now let's begin. Alright, here as you can see, I have gone to the official website, that is zedge.net. You guys go to there as well, and once you're in the page, this is the home page. In the nav bar, you will see something like Browse Now. Simply click on it. Then this page will open up. Do make sure that you have enabled the accessibility mode. Right here at the top right, you will see a person icon like here. Simply hover over it and enable accessibility mode. Right now, what I want to do is simply go to profile. The button's right here. I'm simply gonna click on it. Then this page will open up. It's gonna ask me to sign in using my Facebook, Google, Apple ID or email. The choice is up to you. Right now, I simply want to sign in using Google. So I'm gonna click on the second option right here. Simply select the Google account of your choice and give the confirmation, that is continue. Once everything's okay, this finish signing up page will open up. Simply enter your username right here, your date of birth, and simply tick on the checkboxes right here and let's hit on create account. And guys, there you go. As you can see, we have successfully signed up to Zedge using our Google account. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.